A lot of women out here.
Use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Hello, I'm coming over if that's okay. So could you tell me your name real quick and what's in here?
Well, actually it's my buddy's, but he was walking around. He said I could play it.
Okay.
He's got 4 ZV515s on a Taramps 12K. Clamp. It's probably about 12,000 watts. And he's got a 370 alternator on 2 Cyber Lithium 12Ks.
Okay.
So
you don't know any box specs tunings on it?
No, but I know it plays low. Do you like lows?
I like, yeah, lows show more flex for a video. Yes, sir. Nice. And 1 or 2 alternators?
1.
Okay.
Last night we stayed up till like 3 in the morning getting this ready to
Really?
be up here. Yeah.
Wow. What was the main things that y'all had to finish up yesterday?
Well, we had, it's doing something where it's like the bass knob would be all the way down right and the volume would be all the way down, but 0, it would still like
Play
pulsate.
Yeah, yeah.
And it would, like, this would be all the way down, but it would still pulsate.
Okay. Yeah.
So we had to fix the RCAs, and then we just finished up some stuff on the amp, making it look nice.
It looks really good. You did a nice job. I like it, man.
Yeah, Chris Evans built the box.
Okay.
And, I mean, I don't know the tuning specs. If he was here, he could tell you, but
yeah,
it does pretty good.
Yeah, man. Thank you. I'm going to go look under the hood and the amp's in the back real quick. How you doing? Oh, yeah, thank you. Looks good. Is this what, 320 or
370?
370, okay.
Yeah, McMahon.
Nice work. Well, thank you for showing me.
Oh, you're welcome.
I'm like, well, what the fuck? I'm like, there's this night show. You was like, no, it's paid for the night show. So I'm like, all right. So I told John, I was like,
Something